Welcome back again to my channel Sapna Master IELTS. This video is for the new thing, that is how to clear IELTS exam without coaching. Yes, why I am taking this video? Because the students, few are working, few have already taken IELTS exam, but still they are not getting their desired score. So they just sit back at home, they get demoralized, demotivated, that what to do. So here is the solution for everyone, that if you are a beginner or if you want to sit at home, then how can you practice this? So let's get started. Thing which I want to tell you is about listening. Means which module is the best to practice? Of course, listening. Why so? Because there are so many ways, there are so many things which I can tell you. The first thing is, this is best way to practice section wise. Suppose you are unable to listen to the audio, or you do not know the pronunciation, so it will be better for you to first of all understand the pronunciation, and for that just 1 and 2 sections, the first 2 sections for first 2 days, try to understand. There is a very good video which is given in my listening playlist, that is LRL technique. Just watch that video, you will definitely love it, and you will understand why I have taken this course and why I am using the listening course like this. For after a week, then you can do with section 3 and 4, where MCQs, means the short MCQs and long MCQs, these are taken care of if you work on this. अगर आप इसको अच्छे से कर लेते हो ना, MCQ का वीडियो भी ऑलरेडी है, अवेलेबल है in my listening playlist. अगर आप वो अच्छे से कर लेते हो, उसके ट्रिक्स चेक कर लेते हैं, then definitely it can help you. कैम्ब्रिज की बुक ज़रूर करें, 11 to 18 बुक इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर यू. इन आइल्स लिसनिंग प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. लिसन टू द पॉडकास्ट इफ़ यू वांट टू इम्प्रूव योर प्रोनाउंसिएशन, एंड ऑफ कोर्स ये आपको बहुत हेल्प करेगा. टेप स्क्रिप्ट सामने रख के प्रैक्टिस करें. मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट पार्ट. ऑफ कोर्स जब लिसनिंग हो जाती है ना, उसके बाद आपको प्रैक्टिस करना है नेक्स्ट थिंग, विच इज़ आवर Now, in case of reading, what happens here is, reading may, if you do the skimming section, if you understand the reading passage, it help you in vocabulary. It means your speaking and writing will also be good because you are learning new words there. Skimming technique ke liye definitely you have to go and find out one more video which is in my reading playlist. I have done the skimming technique there. You can just choose that. You can do in 15 minutes how to finish the passage. Yes, 15 minutes, not 20 passage, not 25 minutes, just 15 minutes for one passage. So first passage कीजिए, सिर्फ उसमें 12 to 13 questions होते हैं. So you can practice for first 4 days, try to understand कि what type of questions are given. Then for next 4 days you have to practice passage 2 only, and then passage 3. पूरा का पूरा पैसेज फर्स्ट डे में मत कीजिए, बिकॉज योर कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल कम हो जाता है. यू विल लूज योर मोरल, योर कॉन्फिडेंस, डीमोटिवेशन आना शुरू हो जाता है. सो आई विल सजेस्ट यू कि आप सिर्फ और सिर्फ ये करें. नाउ द प्रॉब्लम इज पैसेज 3 के ट्रिक्स, those are already given on my channel. True false का best scene है, then MCQs and headings, these are the 3 important questions. ये ज़रूर करें. For next 10 days you have to complete the whole test. उससे क्या होगा, you will practice more and you will understand कि आपके out of 40 जो है वो कितना score आ रहा है. But here passage 1 में suppose 12 to 13 questions हैं, so at least 10 आपके सही होने चाहिए. वैसे तो passage 1 में all should be correct, but for a beginner, yes, 10 should be correct at first stage. उसके बाद you can move on and find out more. Moving on to the next part to talk about is, of course, the writing one. Writing may you have to work on the keywords, means keywords say you will check what kind of words are there and how to write about that particular thing. It is called the topic wise vocabulary. Suppose I have the word, I have the topic related to environments, of course I must know the words related to it. If something is related to culture, which is a difficult topic, so इससे related आपको पहले से words आने चाहिए. सिमिलरली स्पोर्ट्स से रिलेटेड है तो स्पोर्ट्स से रिलेटेड वर्ड्स आने चाहिए. इफ यू नो द वर्ड्स, आइडियाज की प्रॉब्लम नहीं आती है. दिस इज द मेन इशू, द कंटेंट. दिस इज द मेन पार्ट. इफ यू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ टू सॉल्व योर टास्क रिस्पॉन्स का प्रॉब्लम, बिकॉज आइडियाज के ही मार्क्स हैं, आपको कनेक्टर्स या फिर टेम्पलेट्स के मार्क्स नहीं मिलेंगे, बट द वे यू आर प्रेजेंटिंग योर सेल्फ मीन्स यूर राइटिंग द आइडियाज देयर लॉजिकल हैं, relevant हैं, sync में हैं, only then the bands are given. And of course thesis statement कैसे लिख रहे हो, topic sentence कैसे लिखा है. So work on the common topics, means education के ऊपर लिखना शुरू कीजिए, sports के ऊपर write a paragraph, media के ऊपर write a paragraph. So in this way you will come to know, yes, I can write like that. After that, one more thing guys, task 1 should be done later because this is just a comparison part and it is more difficult as compared to task 2. This essays we have been writing since our childhood. Okay, so you must practice this, writing task 2 for 7 days at least. Daily practice one topic which should be common one. I have come up with the speaking part. Speaking may we have 3 parts, everybody knows. Section 1 is of general topics about you, means it can be neighborhood, it can be your favorite day, your favorite outfit, your favorite song, or what do you do all day, your routine, your work culture, your habits, everything. Then part 2 is about past tense. So here this is about the present tense where you have to speak for at least 2 to 3 sentences. Here we have to speak for 2 minutes और इसकी practice करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. How to brainstorm, how to mind map, and the whole video is again available on my YouTube channel in speaking places. Just watch that. पार्ट 3 में सजेशंस चाहिए, लॉन्ग आंसर चाहिए, स्टूडेंट्स को फ्रेम करने नहीं आते हैं. इसके लिए बेस्ट थिंग है, सबसे पहले तो टंग ट्विस्टर की प्रैक्टिस करो बिकॉज फ्लुएंसी के बैंड्स हैं. देन common words क्यू कार्ड से related. Suppose I'm talking about a person, so what are the words which you must know about a person? You can talk about incompetent or competent, amicable or lively, enthusiast, globetrotter. Who is he? वो कैसा है? So I have to describe that particular person. And idioms used in daily routine, like if you are, I have already made a video on this as well, so just watch that as well. You can come back here. Telegram के लिए masterclass is there where we can find the past exam papers. Instagram पे I put my prediction there. YouTube पे you are here only, you can subscribe, those who are beginners. Those who have come here again, thank you so much. Please like the video and share with maximum number of students. For online classes, again, just 10 days classes, right? Where you can, after brushing up your skills, you can come back for 7+ bands. So this is the number. You can contact us soon and take the next batch as soon as possible. Take care everyone. Bye-bye.